Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It is Advent Calendar Day number 12, which means we are basically halfway to Christmas Day. So let's get on to unboxing box number 12. Box number 12 feels quite light. It's a round jar and there's no rattle to it. So this is the Pry Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream. I feel like I totally butchered my French. But the throat and all around here, they suggest that you do actually moisturize around these areas because that is where, as you age, your skin starts to lose elasticity. And we moisturize the face, but we don't really moisturize the throat and the area around our shoulders and our chests, which apparently can be quite a telling sign as to how old you are. Now, I'm not too bothered about growing old. I think the ability to grow old is actually a blessing because a lot of us, unfortunately, on this journey do not make it far enough in our journeys in life to get old because obviously we lose people that we love and our days can be numbered. But I think the ability to be able to grow old is a very beautiful, a very precious thing to have because not a lot of us get to do that and experience that and grow old. I'm not too bothered about aging and anti-aging products, and I'm also 24. So anywho, now that I have just royally upset everyone and reminded everyone of everything bad in the world and it's halfway to Christmas, I'm gonna give this a smell test. Oh, that's very nice and floral. It's actually not too in your face, but it's a very thick cream. Okay, incredibly thick cream. And the tiniest bit goes such a long way, which is amazing considering it comes in this tiny little jar. It smells really nice. It's really, really nice and delicate, very floral, but delicate floral. Oh, and my skin on my hand already feels amazing. I love the color of this little tub because it's purple, it's lilac. It's cruelty free and made in the USA. Developed specially for the throat and the décolletage, this luxurious cream helps promote the appearance of firmness and resilience. Apply morning and evening with gentle upward strokes from the cleavage to chin. Well, I can tell you for free that I have a lot of cleavage and this tiny little tub isn't really going to do it for me. I will definitely give it a try, but if I were to upkeep something like this, which is something that you should be doing in your skincare routine, is definitely having a routine and upkeep. This isn't going to cut it. This is definitely sample size. Let's have a look at what Lookfantastic say about this. Reveal youthful looking skin with this lightweight formula. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, this cream moisturizes, firms and leaves the throat and décolletage youthful and glowing. Have you ever heard of Pry Beauty before? What products have you used if you have heard of them? I'm pleasantly surprised to find a cream that makes my hands feel so soft, even though it is definitely not designed for that, as it specifically says for throat and décolletage. I didn't even know that they made specific creams for that. I thought that that was something that you could just slap a moisturizer on and go, which shows you my skincare ignorance. A dermatologist, if you're watching this, please don't yell at me. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have made it all the way to day 12. We are halfway through the advent calendar. I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.